Na-surprise niya.
Mama?
Na-surprise ka ba?
Surprise! Congratulations, Catherine! We wish you the best.
Good luck.
God bless. We're so happy for you.
We love you.
With warmest wishes for the bride-to-be. Congratulations! God bless on your married life. We are so happy for you.
Congratulations, Catherine. Wish ko lang maging happy ka at saka pati si baby magiging healthy. Congratulations!
Hello, Catherine. Congratulations. Stay blessed. I miss you.
Congratulations, Kathy. I wish you all the best, all the love and happiness in the world. Have a blessed life together.
Hi, Catherine. Congratulations. I don't usually give messages, medyo camera shy ako, pero because I love you and you're like a sister to me, so I'm so happy for you. I'm sorry I couldn't make it, I'm always committed to my babies and my family. I hope you understand. And that's all. Best wishes and good luck to your new journey. I'm so happy for you. See you in your wedding.
Congratulations, Kat. I wish you a happy, fruitful life with your lovely husband. And the best wedding ever.
Congratulations, Kathy. I wish you all the best on your big day. I miss you so much. I'm not there, but my prayers, my wishes are all with you. I love you so much. I wish new life bring a lot of happiness and joy in your life. Love you.
Hi, Kathy and Mike.
Congratulations and best wishes. Best wishes, Ninang Kat and Mike.
Love you both.
Congratulations and best wishes in advance. I may not be there physically to celebrate this special day with you, but know that I am very much happy to celebrate this day virtually. And as you begin this new chapter of life, may the Lord God guide and bless you, and may He grant you a lifetime of happiness and blissful married life. Hope you will be able to meet all of you soon and your future family in person. I miss you and I love you. Enjoy this day.
Hello everyone! Greetings here from Kuwait. Just want to say congratulations and best wishes to you, Kat. Finally. I remember when I was there, we used to try hard to find for true love. But here you are, finally, and I'm so happy for you. Best wishes and love each other, understand each other. Most importantly, make God be the center of your relationship, of your marriage. And I wish you all the best, Catherine. You know that. I miss you all, everyone.
Congratulations on your upcoming wedding day. So this is it, conceived. This is your road to forever and ever with God. So I just wish you all the best in the world. Stay healthy, stay safe, communicate with one another. And again, I wish you all the best in your life together. And hopefully I'll see your little one soon. Send me those pictures. Pag pinanganak. Excited. Bye-bye.
Congrats! Congrats, Kat. I'm so happy for you. We miss you.
Hi, Katerina! Congratulations to you and Mike. Finally, nahanap mo na yung forever mo at ngayon ikakasal ka na. I wish you long life, happiness, and love. I miss you. Mwah. Kiss bye. Ta-la-la-la. Bye-bye.
Congratulations, Kathy. I am so happy for you. And I can't wait for you to start these new chapters as a wife and as a mother. And I want you to know that we are always here to help you and support you in any possible way. I wish you all the best and all the happiness and for you to finally have your happy ever after. and enjoy your wedding. And we want to see lots of pictures, and take care. And I love you.
Congratulations, Kathy. I'm very happy for you, and I wish we could have celebrated today with you. I'd love to see your bridal pictures, inshallah. I wish you a very happy, long married life. Love you.
Hello, Kat. Congrats sa inyong dalawa ni Mike. Good luck sa future niyo dalawa. Naurahan mo pa ako, sabi niya. Isang bagay, ilang buwan lang naman eh. May June naman yung kasal namin ni ate. Naurahan pa kami mag-baby sa kasal. Bali, abulin kita. Good luck sa inyo. Always be happy. God bless.
Hello, Mike and Kat. Wishing you joy, love, and happiness on your wedding day. May you stay in love forever, as this is the beginning of your journey. Be strong and confident, and congratulations to both of you.
Welcome to the family, Mike. I love you so much, Kat. And hello, Jerlyn. Thank you so much. And Charity. And Derma family, hello. Take care always.
Hello, Tita Kat. I am happy that your wedding day is at Saturday. I'm happy about your dress and your beautiful veil. I hope you have a great time together. I love you both so much. And Tito Mike, can you please take care of Tita Kat because I love her so much. I love you both. Mwah.
Ang laro na to is gown making. So sila yung mga model. Tapos yung mga sila yung mga designer. So si Ate Lare, si Ate Anne.
Your breakfast, Lizzie in bed. If you overslept, are you free all day? Lizzie in bed. If you're running the entire household, or he's bored of the same old, Lizzie in bed. Makes the dream plan and becomes part of the daily menu. Lizzie in bed, made from the finest quality ingredients with the high.
Picture please. Ang mga model muna please, bago ang mga designers. One, two, three. And then, ang mga designers. Alis kami. And then,
I wish you all the best, Anthony. You know that. I wish you all everyone. and love. I miss you. Congratulations, Kathy. I am so happy for you. And I can't wait for you to we're always here to help you and support you in every single way. I wish you all the best and all the happiness and please to finally have your brothers.
Hello, Mike and Kat. Wishing you joy, love, and happiness. May you stay in love forever, as this is the beginning of your journey. Be strong and confident, and congratulations to both of you.
Welcome to the family, guys. I love you so much, Kat. And hello, Joey. Thank you so much.
Kambal niya, legit.
Your wedding day is on Saturday. I'm happy about your dress and your beautiful veil. I hope you have a great time together. I love you both so much. And me too, Mike. Can you please take out with the card? Because I love you so much. I love you both. Mwah.
Ito na. Picture mo na siya. Pati yung message. Hindi kay Ate Gary. Ay, iba din ba? Kay Ate Boo Gary. May price tag. Thank you, Ate Boo. Ano ito? Thank you, Madam and Kuya Paul. Picture.
Ito, may pagod si Ate Boo.
Wait, wait.
21K? Diamond dress.
Diamond. Kumasa ibits. Will you marry me? Char. Ay, so cute. Ay, buti na naman ang ano. Wala pa akong heart. Wait, wait. Picture. Thank you, ate. Thank you. Ay. From us, with love. Thank you so much. And prayers. And prayers. Para mas expensive. Naman lang yung heart. Ay, nakulangan. Nakulangan ng heart. Wait lang.
Naman na ulo.
Naulo. Picture.
Where's my flower? Bulitis ako sa English na flower.
Makalabas. Ang gera. Ay. Kasya ba ito sa akin? Yun lang ang hindi namin. Ay, so ito lang sa dapat. Saan ba yun? 3XL daw yun. May price pa. Figure it out. Kung paano. Kaya pala sabi ni Angeli, yung ano, nighties ko sa Sabado, isusuot ko. Ito na pala yun. Salamat. Ay, pang everyday look. Salamat. Isot ko na ba ito bukas? Laman mo muna tayo. Hindi pa sa kasal night sa Saturday ang gabi. Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations, Saturday!